Hey everybody, it's me, Namaisa Hunswijk, and today I'm coming to you with another Style Illusions wig review. As you can see, I have on quite some hair, and as always, I was allowed to pick my own wig, and when I chose this wig, this was a new wig on their website. I mean, it's still new. I just chose it like a couple of weeks ago. And I chose it because it looked, well, on the picture it looked like extremely big. Well, it is big. Really full and fun, and yeah, that's just really what appealed to me. So it is a lace front wig, and from the brand It's a Wig. And I don't know if you can see it, but this is a lace front wig and it's called Adrian, I believe. Well, you can see the name over there. And I got it in the color P4/27/130. I always like to pick mixed colors, and here's why. Mixed colors to me look a lot more realistic for some reason, even though we're not really born with highlights and lowlights like these. Or maybe some are, but at least I wasn't. Yeah, to me it just looks a lot more realistic, the color that way, so that's why I picked that color. What I want to say about this wig. The wig has two combs in the front. They're a little high for me, and since I don't have a lot of hair, I don't really use the combs. So they're up here instead of down here, but that's it. I can't deal with that. No, but it's not really a problem for me. And there is a small comb in the back, so in the nape area. And of course, like always, the adjustable straps. About this cap, it's that it's pretty, well, it's not loose. I don't know how to say it. It's, for me it's a perfect fit because of course I work with the adjustable straps. But if you have a larger head, I bet you would fit this cap, which is, I mean, I don't even have to think about it. It's a good constructed cap. Before I forget to say, up top, like, the hair is super, well, it's not extremely thick, but you can't see the cap construction through the hair, which is amazing because, you know, a lot of wigs do have that. So I wanted to point that out as well. Something more about this wig. This wig is curling iron friendly, as it says on the tag, up to a certain amount of heat, of course. So if you decide to curl your hair or flat iron it whatsoever, please be careful that you don't set your curling iron or whatever too high, because you'll burn your hair and you'll waste kind of, yeah, a lot of money. So also heads up for that. So when I got this wig, so when I took it out of the package, the curls were kind of tight, so like spiral curls. And since I wanted that extreme Diana Ross hair, my mom knows what I mean. Literally before I started filming, she commented on a picture on Facebook saying that I needed to get my ass out of the bathroom and go film. But since I wanted that Diana Ross feel to the hair, I really finger combed it. I didn't use a brush, no water, nothing, just finger combed it, you know, took out some of the curls like that. You know, just like that. But if you don't want that, of course you can leave the wig as it is. So what I really like about this wig is the color, the style, also the texture of the hair. I have not experienced any shedding actually, so that's a plus point. So what I also received with this wig was a wig detangler spray and a wig shampoo. It's a really cute gift. I mean, I haven't got that with any other wig companies I purchase my wigs from. And so yeah, this is a cute little gift they give you with this wig. So let's take a look at the back, the sides, well, you know the deal. It's kind of hard for me to film because this wig is pretty long. As you can see, when I stretch it out, it comes up to my boobie area. So yeah, it's pretty long. So if you decide to, you know, go for this wig, please keep that in mind as well. This wig is pretty long, you know, just also a heads up for this. What I really like about this wig, again, it has just the normal yeah, hairline, you know, they call this the moon-shaped hairline. If you have seen my previous videos without wigs, I actually have a similar hairline, so to me this is not a problem. But for a lot of you divas who have a lot of baby hairs and craziness going on, it can be a problem. But it can be fixed by, you know, creating your own baby hairline, by tweezing it. You can pull out some of your own hair if you have it. But some wigs, like this one, it has baby hairs. And like I said, I haven't really, you know, worked this wig besides finger combing it. But it's super cute. They just have small baby hairs like that, and it goes all the way around, which is super cute. So yeah, I mean, I have maybe stupid that I get excited over this, but I have never owned a wig with baby hairs or a baby hairline, whatever. So yeah, it's new for me, but great. So this wig currently sells for $45.99, so $45.99 on Style Illusions. So if you want to check out this wig, just go to their website, www.styleillusions.com. And also you will get 5% off your order, your first order from their website, if you use a special coupon code. I will leave the coupon code in the screen here, and also of course there will be a link below in the information box, so you can check out the website yourself, you know, and see all the little details and whatnot. Also, Style Illusions has a Facebook page, and a little birdie told me that they're gonna do a giveaway sometime. So if you want to know when the giveaway starts, what the rules are, etc, etc, you can go to their Facebook page, and I will leave the link here in the screen and also below. So like them if you want, and that was it. So thank you again, Style Illusions, for sponsoring my review, and thank you all for watching, and until the next video. Bye!